Hello guys, welcome to the 15th session of the API.AI tutorials for beginner. In this session we will see how to integrate the bot with the Slack. For this you need the Slack account and the Slack workspace, and open the API.slack.com. I am already logged in. Click on the start building button and give the name for our app. I am going to use the my app, and select the Slack workspace and click on the create app button and open the API.AI and click on the settings of the Slack. Enable the Slack integration and open the Slack and scroll down and copy the client ID and paste it here. Click on the show button, copy it and paste it here, and also copy the verification token and click on the start button. Here our bot is started. Open the auth and permission page and copy the auth URL from the API.AI. Click on the add new redirect URL and paste it and click on add button and save the URLs. Open the event subscription, make it enable and copy the event request URL from the API.AI and paste it here. We need to specify the event on which our bot will be give response. Click on the add workspace event and add the message in the channel, message IM, as well as message in the group, and click on the save changes button. Then we need to add the bot user. Click on the add bot user, write the display name and the username for your bot. You can make it online if you want, and click on the add bot user button. Open the event subscription and click on the add bot user event and add the message channel, message IM and the message groups, and click on the save changes. After subscribing bot event, we need to install this bot into the our workspace. Scroll up and click on the manage distribution. From here we can set our app. For that we can add the HTML code, use the shareable URL, and we can also active for the public distribution. To install the app in the workspace, click on the add to Slack button and authorize the permissions. Our bot connection was a success. Let's open the Slack. Here is the app that we are installed. Let's send the sum of 15 and 80. We got the 95. Here I am sending a direct message to the bot. Along with that we can also send the message from the groups or the channel. Now I am going to send the message from the general. Before that we need to add the our bot into that channel. For that write the my app and invite it to join this group and invite it to join this channel. Here is the our bot join this channel. Now I am going to write the at my app sum of 80 and 30 We got the 110. That is our right answer. That's it for the Slack. Let's see what we are learning this session. First of all, we are enable the integration for the Slack in the API.AI. Then add the client details here and copy the auth and event request URLs. Steps for it include the log into your Slack account, create a new app, copy the client detail for your app and paste it on the API.AI. Add the auth detail provided by API.AI. Then create the new bot user and subscribe for the event. Then install it on your workspace. Publish from the manage distribution page. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. If you have any doubt, feel free to contact me.